How you doing, folks? As mentioned in my previous videos, the apps I'm mentioning and recommending here are by no means a miracle pill for learning languages. We know that we need to support our learning by being exposed to that target language. Alright, this is all we need to know. We're done. If you watched my previous videos, you know it's no-brainer that learning a language requires content exposure, consistency, discipline, and patience. It is not as simple as some companies or people want to sell it. But before you start banging your head against the wall, you should be aware of the incredible possibilities you have right now for learning languages. Nowadays, technology helps us in this process without having to live in another country. In this video, we're going to explore the features of 4 language learning apps that can support your learning of languages. I have to say that although all of these apps offer different tools, my favorite continues to be Duolingo, since all its features are free compared to the limited materials offered by other apps. So the apps we're going to explore today are HelloTalk, Eva, Cake, and LingQ. HelloTalk works as a social network in which you can interact with people who are native speakers of the language you're learning. All you have to do is choose the language you're learning and your mother tongue in the app. What the app does is it shows you the profile of the people who are learning your mother tongue and who are native speakers of the language you're learning. You can explore their profiles, their posts, chat with them, and even have voice calls through the app. Once you establish a connection with someone, you can agree to switch your languages from time to time so the both of you can benefit from the interaction. When you are in the chat, the app gives you the possibility of making corrections to the other person if he or she has written something incorrectly, and vice versa. Additionally, HelloTalk offers a set of free lessons, readings, and podcasts that you can access for free. However, they are limited, and if you want to have full access, you will have to pay. Eva and Cake only offer English to their users, and this is a big limitation since a lot of people are not interested in learning English. However, people who already know English can benefit from practicing, listening, and reading in these 2 apps. And of course, people who are at intermediate level and even beginner level can definitely benefit from all the tools offered by these 2 apps. Eva offers lessons with short video clips that target different vocabulary and topics according to the level you choose. It also offers a wide variety of books that you can read while listening to them at the speed you choose. And when you don't know a word, you can just tap on it and you can see the translation and listen to its pronunciation again. Additionally, it offers a chat option in which you can role-play a character in a movie fragment. I really like this feature. In a nutshell, I believe this is a great option for those of you who are interested in polishing your English, so I suggest you give it a try. The only drawback that I found, apart from the language limitation, it only offers English, is the number of ads that appear every time you're going to start a lesson, a book, or a game. It is so annoying. Cake is similar to Eva in the sense that it offers video lessons to drill vocabulary or any topic that you choose. It takes videos from YouTube or from movie clips or from TV series or shows. You can practice some sentences in a real context. In Cake, you can choose the lessons according to your level. However, and this is my personal opinion, I believe Eva is quite more organized than Cake. If you found something else interesting about any of these 2 apps, please let me know in the comments down below. LingQ is a very well organized app that offers 3 languages apart from English. So in this sense, I would personally rate this app higher than the previous 2 ones. However, its features are limited in the free version. LingQ offers books, audios, lessons, vocabulary drills, and podcasts that are tailored according to your level. Its only limitation is that after you have advanced in some lessons, the features will start to be limited. For instance, you will not be able to see the meaning of words when you are in an audiobook, or you will not be able to see the texts in some podcasts. You can also give it a try, and if you like it and you have the budget, you can consider getting a premium version of the app. I know these apps offer a great variety of features that maybe are not the same on Duolingo. However, Duolingo continues to be king when it comes to free access to lessons, conversations, podcasts, and the number of languages offered. Therefore, I devoted a whole episode just to exploring Duolingo and my experience with it. I'll leave it in the description down below. Also, if you know other apps for learning languages, please let me know in the comments down below. If you haven't yet, remember to like this video and share it with the people who may benefit from it. Until the next one, stay healthy and be awesome. Bye bye.